Camco Industries are the market leaders when it comes to vehicle fit-out solutions. Our modular and customised options deliver a multitude of benefits to customers across a wide range of industries. Let's hear what client Electra has to say about their fit-out.
Camco have fitted out a couple of our utes with new boxes on the back, and the boxes are quite spacious and quite good for the type of work we do. And in our industry, you know, it's we have to carry a lot of gear on our utes, so Camco have provided a good service there. Camco have put some really cool setup in the back of our truck. One especially is, it's not in my ute, but it's in my mate's. It's a little winch in the back of it, so heavy stuff, he can just winch it up and lift it in the back without straining his back. Pretty cool setup if you ask me. The Gullwing is a good setup. It gives you a bit of cover in the extreme conditions when it's raining and whatnot. And if you're working at night, it just sort of, you got a little arena lit up, it's quite good. You can't really fault that sort of setup in those extreme conditions that we get put in sometimes. I'd recommend Camco to other distribution companies around New Zealand. Their setups are pretty good and they're willing to accommodate the customer.
For more information about these innovative fit-out solutions, contact Camco Industries today.